ضفير شعر صدر هيلز فات بوبس كلن ريل أديرة مديرة مستديرة بيتش ما حدا بديرة جرين طوال جرين عرض مشي الديفا.
In Beirut, a new star is shining bright and in defiance of Middle Eastern social and religious conservatism.
I'm Diva Beirut, or the one and only Diva. I started drag in 2018. So while I'm putting my makeup, I want to enter to my new character, Diva. This is what I like the most, the transformation. I do lip syncs, I do oriental dance, I do impersonation.
Diva looks to artists like queer American Idol star Todrick Hall, whose music and lyrics inspire him artistically. But with a twist. He pokes fun at himself in this Arabic parody of one of Hall's famous hits.
The most thing I do and the fans like it, it's the comedy. So here now, this is my drag room.
Oh yeah.
I always say in my shows, love yourself, because when you love yourself, everyone gonna love you.
Yeah, I love you.
I love this one. Playing good.
That's practical.
Yeah. And la, la, la.
In 2018, Beirut emerged as a haven for queer culture in the Arab world. An appeals court ruling paved the way for same-sex relations to be decriminalised. But only a year later, everything started to change. The 2019 Pride event was cancelled when the organiser was arrested on charges of incitement to immorality. And anti-LGBT activists live-streamed the destruction of a Pride billboard.
Arab world is not the place where you can be free or where you can be whatever you want. When we started drag, everyone was anonymous. I want to do my show and come back and remove everything. I don't want to go out and drag.
Drag shows are now often impromptu and take place under tight security. And last year, the Interior Ministry ordered a clampdown on events promoting so-called sexual perversion. A wave of hate speech followed.
We're not safe here. Someone can abuse us like in a talking way, or he can bit us. No one can stop him.
Does that happen?
It didn't happen yet because I'm so beautiful and they can't do this with me.
Artists like Diva say they'll defy this crackdown on their freedoms to bring visibility and hope to many suppressed queer and drag communities across the Arab world.
We're doing something that we are proud of. And it's a little bit difficult here to explain to parents and to people because there's no reference. We are the reference. We are the ones who are doing this first. I think we are the most people who has this voice and this platform. I want to say I'm a drag queen. I don't want to hide myself. I don't want to hide what I'm doing. Yes, I'm a drag queen and I'm not doing something wrong. I'm doing art, so I'm gonna keep doing it.